Here is the soap kit that I just purchased. It comes with the Shea Butter soap base. It has the mode in it. Long in it is the assorted dry flowers, jasmine petals, lavender seeds, and rose petals. Also comes with the essential oils, and it also comes with the soap dye and the beaker. Along with that, of course, the instructions. So this, as it says here, is good for 7+ euros. It's great for making a project with your kids. You know, it could also be counted as a science project when you make it. So let's get busy and see how it works. The kit also came with the sticks. I didn't really care for the sticks. They're very lightweight and kind of wimpy. It also came with little decorative stickers that you can put on after you finish. So first we put in the little flower petals, the boys did, and then we microwaved the soap that it came with and just stirred it to make sure all the little lumps and everything was out of it. So it's real good to really watch it in the microwave because it can splurt out if you microwave it too long. The instructions tell you how long to microwave it. I think it's 30 seconds in the beginning, but you still should watch that. Then the kids had added the essential oils, and those essential oils smelled so good. One of them was lemongrass, and I forgot the other ones right now, but they were so good smelling. I didn't know how to open this, so I just took my scissors to cut it open to get the little tiny hole. So after they did the essential oils, then the next thing they were going to do was the coloring. Is recommended in the instructions to do everything in a container. And if you have like a paper cup or something, that probably would be better. I just used a glass cup. I like the glass because, in addition to the beaker, because I could easily see it dissolving in the microwaves. That's why I wanted something transparent. So the boys really had so much fun in using the different colors. I let them make this soap how they wanted. I didn't tell them you can't use this or that. It was their total creation. So after that, we put it inside the mold, and we were trying to use the stick to kind of smooth it out a little bit. But like I said, the stick thing really didn't work. So I ended up having them to use a regular butter knife to do that. And just for fun, I had them to put the little flowery stuff in afterwards. It takes about 45 minutes for it to totally be ready. And it came out very easily. Then we took our little cute little design that it came with, wrote it in there, and there you go. The beautiful design. It came out good. It works great when they wash your hands, and it smells great.